Alright, thanks for watching our video today, guys. It was really exciting to go on that camping trip. Really cool little spot that we found. We have kind of been trying to find some good camping spots up in the mountains on like Forest Service roads or BLM roads, and somewhere where we can just kind of go and not have to worry about paying a fee or there being a lot of people there. And we were really lucky to find this cool spot this time up above Currant Creek Reservoir in Utah. So I'll take you to the map and show you exactly where we were, and kind of explain the benefits of going there. So this is where we live in Salt Lake here, and where we're heading is actually, so here's Heber City. This is further south of Heber City along Highway 40. This is Strawberry Reservoir here, pretty popular lake. And then right up here is Currant Creek. Now there are a couple ways to get there, but this time that we went, it was a month or two ago, and we weren't able to go the quick way, which is just up this road here right off of Strawberry Reservoir. So we actually had to go all the way around here, just before you get to the town of Fruitland. And so there's a little RV park here. That's where we headed up. From the RV park, we drove up this road. I've been up this road once before with a friend, Zach, and we were fly fishing on our way back from working in Vernal, Utah. So you take this road up, you get to Currant Creek, and you keep driving past it. This little road here will take you all around Currant Creek Reservoir. And then once you get to this end of it, there's a little road that cuts back. This one right here. So FR 106. So you take a hairpin turn back, and then this road is a bumpy road. I mean, big rocks in the road. I wouldn't go on it unless you have a little bit higher clearance. We were still able to take our camper trailer down it, which was really great. So you keep following this little road up here all the way up. Eventually you'll come to a few junctions. I'll link to the actual coordinates in the description. But you get up to this little place called Low Pass, and I'm gonna put on the satellite view so you can kind of see what it's like, wooded and whatnot. So you get up to this little low pass, and there's a small little Forest Service road. It's a 515, and it comes down, and you kind of go down a hill here. These are all aspen trees here, and you kind of drop down here, and there's some cool stuff down here. There's actually a cabin, and I don't know, I tried to look up the land ownership, and this is still owned by Forest Service, so somebody has a permit to have their cabin up here. They're probably driving cattle up here. There were some little corrals for some cattle probably, but right before that we found this little spur here, and we were able to camp right there. There was a little fire pit there, a little turnaround. Technically this road actually came all the way through here, but there's a big log across the road, so we couldn't get through. So yeah, that was the spot we camped right there, right in the trees. No mosquitoes. Our dog was able to, you know, play around and go dig around for stuff out here in the forest. Like I said, we had a little fire. I don't think you can have fires anymore this year just because it's so dry and there's risk of forest fires. But man, this was a great spot. Nobody came driving down this road the whole time we were there. We could hear the four-wheelers and ATVs and side-by-sides up on this main road, but nobody was coming down here. It was steep. Once you look at it, you'd be like, there's nothing down there. But that was lucky for us because we were all by ourselves. We didn't drive any further than this corner right here, but it looks like this road could keep going for quite a while. We just decided that this was our spot, so we turned around and parked right here. Like I said, it was really great. We went for a walk kind of out in this area here. I think we walked about to these trees, or maybe they were these trees. Yeah, these trees. And over here on the other side, you could see a bunch of deer. This would be a really cool place to go hunting if you're into hunting. Kind of cool big open landscapes. You can really see a lot of the wildlife that's there. So this drive, you can do this huge big loop here, and we actually did do the whole loop, but really pretty. You get up on the top here, you're above the tree line, kind of cool. There was still, if I remember right, there was still a little bit of snow, not on our road, but we could look over here and there was snow up here. You can see on this photo there's some snow there. So this was probably similar time of year to when we went, but we didn't see any snow on our side over here. Anyway, we came our way back down after camping, came to the reservoir here, and we ended up going down by the dam right here and just kind of walked around with our dog and our baby and just kind of hung out on the beach of the reservoir for a little bit. Really cool camping spot. Don't know what else to tell you about it. We definitely will be going back. There's hundreds of spots to camp on this loop that we were telling you about. There are so many spots. You can pull over anywhere. Honestly, on our side, there weren't very many RVs, but once we started dropping down onto this second half of the loop, we started running into a lot of RVs. I think this is a pretty popular place to camp, but the road up here is bumpy enough that you're just getting side-by-sides up there. You're not really getting any vehicles, especially RVs. So, I mean, with a little pickup like ours, we were able to get up there, tow in our little trailer. But yeah, really fun place. Love to explore it more. I'm sure we will explore it more. We'll show you when we do. If you have any questions about this camping spot, let us know in the comments, and we will answer your comment as quickly as possible and help you find a good place to camp. But great spot for family camping. And yeah, we'll see you next time when we have a new adventure. Lots of stuff going on right now. I'm going to show you some of the build parts to our camper trailer, because people have kind of been requesting, how did we build the roof rack? How do we build the back door? So I want to show you guys all that, and also just where we've been camping. We've got another cool spot that we went maybe a couple weeks after this with our friends Sam and Hannah. Got some really cool video there, some waterfalls, this really cool deep canyon, and it was also down just a narrow dirt rocky road, so there weren't a lot of people there, which was really great. Okay, we'll see you guys next time.
He's got me looking quite beige.